Hey everyone! Do you ever wish you could remember things better? Whether it's for your exams, presentations, or just everyday life, having a sharp memory can make a huge difference. Today, I'm going to share some genius memory hacks that will help you unlock your brain's potential right now. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about, ever tried to memorize a phone number? Instead of remembering a long string of digits, break it down into smaller chunks. For example, instead of 98765432210, think 98765432210. Your brain loves patterns and groups, so use that to your advantage. Next is a powerful tool. When you're trying to remember something, turn it into a vivid image in your mind. Trying to remember a grocery list? Imagine a giant carrot driving a shopping cart filled with eggs and bread. The crazier the image, the better it sticks. Now let's talk about the also known as the memory palace technique. Picture your home and place the items you need to remember in different rooms. For example, if you need to recall key points for an essay, imagine each point as an object in a room of your house. When you walk through your memory palace, you'll easily recall each item in its place. Another great hack is, instead of cramming all night, review the material over several days. Start with short, frequent study sessions and gradually increase the interval between reviews. This helps reinforce the information in your long-term memory. Don't underestimate the power of your brain consolidates memories while you sleep, so make sure you're getting enough rest. Aim for 7-9 hours a night and try to keep a consistent sleep schedule. Naps can also help boost your memory, especially if you take them right after learning something new. Let's not forget the importance of a healthy. Foods rich in antioxidants, good fats and vitamins can improve brain function. Think blueberries, salmon and dark chocolate. Staying hydrated is crucial too. Finally, keep your brain stimulated with. Engage in activities that challenge your mind, like puzzles, reading or learning a new skill. The more you use your brain, the stronger it gets, so there you have it. By using chunking visualization, the method of loci, spaced repetition, good sleep, a healthy diet and mental exercises, you can give your memory the boost it needs. Start implementing these hacks today and watch your brain's potential unfold. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more awesome content. See you next time.